Hi there and welcome to another episode of inkitdesigns. Let's learn how to create this splash screen animation. So let's get started. First select a frame. I'm using iPhone 13 and 14. Fill in the frame with your desired hex code. Now place the icon in the center of the frame, move it downwards and fade it out. Duplicate the frame, change the appearance of the icon back to 100, move it upwards till it is back in the center of the frame. Duplicate this frame again and change the size of the icon by pressing Shift K to 1.5. And we'll change its rotation. I will set mine to -85 approx. Perfect. This looks better. Now we will duplicate its frame and decrease its size to 45 pixels and place it back to the center. Now we will duplicate the frame once again, move the icon to the right and we'll place our text in the center of the frame. Now we will copy the text and place it in our previous frame. We'll convert this into frame by clicking frame selection. Make sure to check the clip content. To hide the text, we'll drag the text frame to the left. And we'll change its appearance to 0. Now we will duplicate the screen for one more time and we'll move the icon upwards and change the text into welcome. We are done with the splash screen animation screens. Later we'll do its prototyping. Now I will fast forward the video to create sign-in screen. I already have recorded a detailed video on how to create sign-in screen. The link to that video will be in the top right corner of this screen. Do check that out. We are done with all the screens. Now let's prototype it. For prototyping, this is the settings that we'll be using. And we are done. Here's the final review. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.